Remove the footwell sealing panel. Remove the screws using a T25 Torx driver. Open the glove box. Remove the top 3 screws that secure the glove box assembly. Uninstall the side panel using a screwdriver. Remove the screw on the side of the glove box. Remove the glove box assembly and set it on the floor. Remove the glove box light. Remove the bolt securing the filter housing door using a 5.5 mm socket. Remove the filter housing door. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Insert your new filter into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Reinstall the filter housing door. Reinstall the bolt. Reinstall the glove box light. Reinstall the glove box assembly by aligning their tabs with their catch. Reinstall the bottom screws. Reinstall the footwell sealing. Open the glove box. Reinstall the screws. Close the glove box.
For the best price, visit undercarexperts.com and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.